Jingbom don Liengsuiñ bandam ban her betsak nakathan chate lambi ngi ka India Shabari khlam don kam bandam pateng kalabu Jingeh ban Shalan Marrep u chairman ka company lulu u Rajiv uloong bakispa ki phau na kani kathan ki kham Shem shitom ban Shalan Shabari na ka Jingbom don Liengsuiñ ban her bet sha Middle East sha Europe bat ki we ki banta ka perthei ka company ka yarap ban Shalan yu so nyamtra na Meghalaya sha Dubai bat ki we ri namar bom don Liengsuiñ ban ket betsak kalapan kieu ya kador kamur bat kakalan ya kekit kaba bat katheu kawo.
So, everything is available, but only thing infrastructure has to be improved. Infrastructure, I'm not saying that road transport and anything. Mainly, at least we must have some air transport connection. So that all seven sisters, because today morning also we had a discussion with our Honorable Chief Minister. He was saying that all seven sisters can be benefited if we get a international flight to Middle East from at least means not a like a flight. It must be hopping flight or direct flight from Guwahati or Shillong, wherever it is, any northeast part. There is no direct flight so far. So that if suppose if there is a direct flight, so right now what we are doing, we are sending from here to Mumbai, or we are sending from here to Delhi, or taking that to Lucknow. From there we are sending to Middle East. So that is too high. You must know one thing. If I am exporting something by sea from Mumbai, I have to spend only 7 to 8 rupees per kg for the transport, by sea transport. But at the same time, if I am sending anything from Mumbai to Sharjah, I have to shell out around 100 rupees for 1 kg. Suppose if a brinjal is 10 rupees, I have to spend minimum 100 rupees. Then cost increase. So that if you have a local flight in this local international flight, close to the best any international airport in Northeast, so we can really compete the world, because everything is natural, organic, very good. I won't say that I won't go with organic. Everything is natural, very good, very good. It is very a lot of potentials are there. That's the thing.